This is my friend's Ender 3 Pro. It's based off of my own here. And we've been having some very strange Y-axis issues where it looks like the stepper motor was losing steps really badly, and it was rather inconsistent. We couldn't quite seem to figure it out. It wasn't an issue with the G-code. We checked it in software, going back and forth, creating the G-code in Cura and then sending it here, and then taking that send file, bringing it back to our computer to analyze. That wasn't the problem. The stepper motors themselves actually weren't a problem either. It wasn't an issue with the electrical connections. We have checked all of those, and when testing the axes, we couldn't find any sort of abnormalities. Aha! Until this. This belt tensioner is very good at what it does. And I have noticed I've been adjusting it a lot. And this is not a Gates belt. This is just a standard Ender 3 belt. It's not really reinforced with anything. And watch carefully as I move the bed back. Make sure I focus in on this and... Hello! Zoomp. It's not even straight anymore. Wowee. Ain't that something? Well, I think I found our problem. So, they say not to over-tighten your belts, and this is probably a good reason why. Over-tightening the belt not only puts stress on the belt, it puts stress on the gears, the bolt that holds the gears together, and the shaft that the stepper motor has going into it with the gear on it. You can bend that shaft. So do be careful with these sorts of things, and if possible, I'd recommend upgrading to a Gates Power Grip belt. The one up here on top is a Gates belt. We had to make a custom one for this linear rail that we're using. But that certainly would cause Y-axis issues.